And those good old jet ski boys are at it again. Our guy's absolutely struggling to get this ski in the water. And careful, bro. He's backing down, but he's backing the ski straight into the dock. He notices that, makes a sharp. Now you're backing the van into the dock, bro. He's going to hit. And they've hit the dock with the van. And, of course, he puts it in park now. But, man, it's tough to see those trailers, man. I don't know if maybe he could have opened the doors on the van to help him out on this one. But they just backed it right into the dock. Oh, bro. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton Beach, and our crew has hit the dock. So our guy is still going to launch the ski. I don't know why you wouldn't just pull forward a few inches and at least get it off the dock. Maybe it's just a work van, and they don't care. Maybe it's not even their van. But our guys just, they're letting it ride. I mean, he's got it disconnected from the trailer. He should be able to push it up to the dock, and I'm assuming our other guy here is going to pull this out. I'm just hoping that we don't disconnect the bumper when we do this. I mean, it looks like they're under the dock, so I can't tell if they're going to be caught on anything or not. It's going to be dependent on how he pulls out. So our guy, he's got it going. Our other boy is going to go move the van. And here we go, moment of truth. And fortunately for them, we look good to go. And this is not an uncommon sight. This is another YouTuber, the Darsizzle channel, and we see them launching here from Boynton quite a bit. And of course, when she does show up, just like this, they'll get a little bit of a scene. They'll get some people who want to walk up and talk to them and introduce themselves and tell them that they love the content and stuff like that. But it does slow down their process of trying to get launched, and they are one of the fastest couples here at the ramp of getting their boats launched. But fortunately today here at Boynton, as you can tell, there's no line. There's really nobody at the ramps, so it's not that busy. So they've got time to kind of hang out with some of their fans and just enjoy it and, you know, see how their day goes. But it's always nice to see them coming down and being able to interact with people like this. And what is this crew doing? What? So they're launching their boat, and the kayakers are going to walk right behind them and dock block Darsizzle and Puddin'. And if you don't know, Puddin's her boyfriend. I don't get it. The ramp next to him is pretty much open. There's a boat on it, but it's just waiting to take off. They've took the trailer. Why would you come behind them when they're trying to launch the boat? I'm really confused right now, but Puddin' and Darsizzle don't even notice it yet. So they say goodbye to the fans, and here we go. Puddin's like, bro, what are you doing? Oh, man. Let's see what he's going to do. Is he going to say something to him? I mean, he's got to, right? They're on the ramp ready to go. Yep, bro, what are you doing? We're launching the boat. And they're like, yeah, let's move it to the other side. But that was just fine. I mean, they literally walked right past the half-open ramp here. Once again, there's a boat over there, but there was plenty of room for them. I don't understand why they walked past the ramp to try and put it in on this side. And now our guy's going to take his sweet, sweet time trying to get over here. And it's because the ramp is slick and it's this cobblestone. Now we're dropping things. And Puddin's just like, bro, what are you doing? And my favorite part about this is he's not even going to stay on this dock. That's not how they roll. So Darsizzle will back him in. He's going to pull his boat off the trailer and literally wait out in the water to not even tie up the dock. Like, so if these guys weren't here, this would be about a 20-second process for them. And he'd even be off this dock, and then they could come right back to it. Because he'll just wait out in the water for her to come down and pull up to the dock and let her jump on. So here we go. Darsizzle behind the wheel, and watch, you'll see how fast this all happens. It's just going to be quick. He's literally, they're going to back down. The kayak's now over here on the other side. And this other boat's leaving, so it's just fine where it's at. But literally, Darsizzle's going to get him deep enough. He's going to start this motor, pull off, and not even touch this dock. So they just needed 20 seconds of time. And she'll go park, and he'll wait for her to come down and just nudge up to the dock and let her jump on, and they'll take off. But, oh, disaster averted here too. Always at Boynton, somebody's always dock blocked. And our crew's heading down. And taking their sweet time as they line it up. Our guy's going to grab some lines. But wait a minute, there's water coming out of the drain hole for the drain plug, which means we don't have a drain plug installed. But our crew's going to continue to back. You can see the water pouring out. But our crew's not going to care. They're just going to keep rolling. And he tosses the lines in. And, well, we've only got it just a few foot, so maybe they've realized that there's a little bit of an error here. No, we're continuing to come back. And let's see if a bilge pump kicks on so they realize what's going on. And there's our bilge pump. Hopefully somebody sees that and realizes, hey bro, we forgot the drain plug. And the bilge is just going overtime now. They're inspecting. I mean, maybe they're not launching. Maybe they're trying to pull this one out. But we can see the water just flowing out of the drain now that they have it out of the water again. So he's saying something to our driver. He's coming out to inspect the vessel. Wonder if they're going to notice what's going on here. So, and he walks to this side, but the bilge pump's kicked off now, so that's not going to be a giveaway sign for him anymore. And our driver said something to him, and here we go, he's looking, and now we're going to realize it. Yeah, bro, there's no drain plug in. So I'm guessing our driver is going to pull this back out, and we're going to hopefully put a drain plug in and get this reset up. So he's pulling forward. And yep, our crew finally realizes it that, oops, we forgot something. And our driver, does our driver have it? Yep, he's going to hand it to him, and here we go. We'll get the drain plug put in, and we'll start this process over one more time on seeing if we can get this thing out of here. But at least they caught it here. Nothing worse than catching it later. I mean, it could have been an hour from now and they caught it, and we'd be talking about a whole different story. Instead of Miami boat ramps, they probably would have made boating news of the week. But our guys got it in now, and they should be able to get this one set up and get out of here from here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.